Hi traders, welcome back. This is the third video of our 10-part series where I will discuss simple yet powerful strategies tailored towards trading the Nasdaq and the micro Nasdaq futures markets, and that's suited for anyone, whether you're a novice trader or a more seasoned trader. So keep on watching as I reveal easy to follow trading methods that you can start using right away without wasting your time hunting for opportunities every single day. For my third strategy, I would like to show you how I like to scalp the Nasdaq or the micro Nasdaq using patterns. Right, so on the top left there, I've got my Pure Pattern Trader user interface loaded, and it basically looks at a whole different array of patterns. I like following trend continuation patterns with this particular strategy. I've also got a scanner that's built in looking for any one of those patterns on a 1 minute and a 3 minute time frame, and I use that to alert me when a pattern is present. Alright, so I don't have to go look for them myself. I've also got a 200 period EMA that I've loaded. I use it as a trend filter. When price is below it, I look for bearish setups, and when price is above it, I obviously look for bullish setups. Right, also trying to follow trend continuation patterns rather than reversal patterns. Now, before this trade actually set up, price moved to the upside. It broke a previous price structure, and basically that was an additional indication that we might see a reversal to the upside, and then I potentially have to wait for a bullish type pattern to set up. It wasn't too long, and eventually I've got an alert on the 1 minute time frame of the Nasdaq. My scanner picked up an ascending triangle. I went ahead and clicked on that ascending triangle, my Pure Pattern Trader software. It automatically popped up with a validation, invalidation, as well as a target rejection level. Quickly figured out what my total risk would be if I entered at the validation level. Decided to get in with 2 contracts. Always like trading with 2 contracts. And as soon as I got filled, I positioned my further target, or second one, at my target projection level. My first target went at a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and then I just positioned my stop loss at the invalidation level. Right, so I eventually took a little bit of heat on this trade, but soon afterwards, eventually it did start moving to the upside. And as soon as my first target got reached, I started reducing my risk, and it was literally 3 minutes later until price reached my final target, yielding just over $450 US for about 3 minutes of trading. So really easy and simple strategy to follow. It can be quite tedious looking for patterns yourself, which is why I love using the Pure Pattern Trader software. It basically takes all that heavy lifting off for you, as well as the market scanner that then go ahead and identify any one of these patterns that you like following. And that concludes today's third strategy video. If you want to see the remaining strategies in this series, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, there will be a link down this video in the description where you can go ahead and join our free indicator of the month club. There's actually one indicator in there when you do join that's very similar to the one I've shown you here today. So please go and check it out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.